My video guide is about getting rid of the ransomware that is called Tcbu. This Tcbu is the ransomware from the DJVU ransomware family. Tcbu is the name of this ransomware, and it is called like that because it encrypts files and appends this Tcbu extension to the files. My video will be solely for educational purposes. I'm not related to this ransomware and I'm not promoting it. I'm just showing you what can happen with your files if this ransomware affects the files. So, before the ransomware attack, you were able to open your data without complications. But unfortunately, because of some leaks and vulnerabilities in the system, this particular Tcbu ransomware may be easily injected. Definitely it's your current antivirus software that can be blamed for allowing this ransomware to be injected into your system. So these are the results of the ransomware attack. You try to open this specific file and you get the message saying that Windows can't open this type of file with the Tcbu extension. The same applies to all other files. The ransomware then tells the victims that they should pay a special ransom for file recovery, but paying the ransom is not a good idea. This does not guarantee the file restoration, so don't pay the ransom. What we recommend you to do immediately is researching the system with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. You may get it on the official page combocleaner.com, download it, install it, and then click on Start Scan button. The program will be initially in the trial mode, so only quick scan option is available. At the end of the scan, you will see the summary of the threats. You will also be able to know their exact locations on the system. Combo Cleaner does not decrypt files, however, but it helps to remove this ransomware and to protect your files from further ransomware attacks with its anti-ransomware feature. So consider upgrading to premium license as the best solution to keep your data always protected in the future.